So, as a teacher, I think we need career development training because we have to teach our students each and every day.
This is a constant changing world. Just as the other fields, this also needs to be updated.
As teachers, when we get exposure to the new techniques and strategies, we can go back to our classroom and improve in our students' learning as well as the curriculums. And we can see a great improvement in our students and also in our learning.
So when it comes to teacher training, I think it's important because sometimes there are certain technical skills that we may not know as teachers.
And it was a great program for teachers.
I'm very glad to involve with this training program because I learned a lot, and it was the most amazing training program I've ever been to. Reason being that we all worked as a team and it was so much fun.
It has been an incredible journey of transformation for me as a teacher.
It's totally different from what we had learned.
With this program, I learned so many things about the new techniques, how to be more approachable to the students, how to teach English in an attractive way that students can get the maximum benefit.
When I was applying this in my classrooms, I was able to see a very huge impact in my students. And I am very proud to say that my classroom has been changing day by day.
So this has been a life-changing experience for me, learning from the best mentors and teachers who've been able to guide me to become a better teacher.